Hi guys! For today's mini vlog, we'll bring you along dito sa Aqua Planet. So we went by bus sa Araneta Center bus station and we drop off here sa Dao Terminal, Pampanga. And then we rode the e-bus going to our hotel, which is Senya Hotel. Napaka-cozy ng hotel nito and may casino rin siya. We got our Aqua Planet tickets. Yes, inclusive na siya sa 5,800 promo na nabook namin dito. And syempre, hindi mawawala tong room tour. I would highly suggest for you to get this package then if you're planning to visit Aqua Planet. So, sobrang sulit siya guys. Nabulol pa ako doon. For lunch, we went here in Matan'i restaurant na nirecommend siya sa amin ng Grab driver na nabook namin and they offer a variety of Pampanga cuisine so hindi kayo madi-disappoint. We ordered ginataang suso and hindi namin pinalagpas syempre yung sisig dito. Sobrang sarap niya. Kailangan nyo matikman. And we went straight to Pure Gold Duty Free to buy some stuff. And yun nga, hindi namin napigilan mag-TikTok. After that, we went for a quick dip. Nag-swimming kami. Yes, may swimming pool po sa Senya Hotel. And the morning after, we enjoyed our buffet breakfast. Yes, buffet breakfast. Yun talaga. Yun yung gustuhan namin dito kasi as early as 6 a.m. they serve the breakfast. So if you have a far destination the day after, hindi kayo kailangan magmadali kasi maagang sinaserve yung breakfast. Right after that, we went straight to Aqua Planet. So hindi kami maabutan ng mahabang pila. And then that smart band or wristband is reloadable inside Aqua Planet if you want to process a cashless transaction, if you want to buy food and other stuff. And for us, we order burger and fries. Plus, yung ride na yan, yung tornado ride na yan, don't ever miss that. Napakasaya ng experience. So, that's all for today. Thank you, Aqua Planet!